How to make up to 250,000 naira in a day, easily with your phone, anytime and anywhere. The system I'm about to show you will reveal practical step-by-step process of earning great income from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the next few days, plus other multiple income streams that ensure you never lack or are ever in need again. I also have solid home courses worth 172,960 naira to give you for free as you register free for this program. Please go with me. Hello friend, my name is Olasupo John. I'm an IT consultant with special skills in web development, digital marketing and online businesses. I'm the CEO of Sweet Fortune Solution, a company duly registered with the CAC with registration number 2165914. I'm also the founder of this great platform, BTC Frenzy Business Network. I'm also an author with 2 books. Here are my 2 books below. 1, 31 Ways to Make Money Online in Nigeria, and 2, Understanding Bitcoin and Altcoin. Keep an open mind. Please be open-minded to this opportunity. Don't keep on passing over opportunities repeatedly, which is the meaning of being poor. This is not another program. This program will change your life. As you sign up by clicking the Get Started button below, you get free video report, free PowerPoint PDF report, free group presentation from our Telegram group. Here's what we are going to be covering in our video, PDF and our group presentation. How to earn 250,000 naira or more by the 11th of November 2018 and every month afterwards. In the next few days, we are going to be setting up a program for you that can earn you up to 250,000 naira in a day. You don't want to miss it for anything. Yes, the opportunity can give you up to 250,000 naira. It can be more than that, it can be less than that, but you have potentially opportunity to earn 250,000 naira. You don't want to miss it. Don't miss it for anything. 2, how to sell your goods and services fast to millions of eager customers waiting to buy from you. 3, how to access knowledge tools worth 500,000 naira in video, audio, ebooks, or software content. 4, how to start your real estate business with little or no money and make millions doing so. You don't need to spend money to make millions in real estate. We'll be showing you how it works. We'll be showing you how many people have used this opportunity to make millions. Don't miss it for anything. 5, how to start getting paid for every activities you do on social media like Facebook. Listen, all the things you do on Facebook, posting, putting your picture and nobody paid you, you will be paid. And I'm not talking of a forum. I'm not talking of a Nigerian program. I'm talking of an international social media, and you earn money doing the normal things you do on Facebook. How to get paid every time you recharge your phone or subscribe to DSTV Go TV or other billings. 7, how to achieve unlimited financial buoyancy by enjoying access to unlimited good and legal home business opportunities. There are many amazing opportunities we have for you. You don't want to miss them for anything. Just sign up and be part of us. 8, how to access free gift 3 video courses worth 172,960 naira for free. So these are the 3 courses we are talking about. The first one is importation from China, how to run a successful online businesses using Alibaba. Second one, YouTube, how I make $2,000 a month on YouTube without filming. Third one, freelancing with YouTube, WordPress, Upwork, and Fiverr. All these 3 courses can make you a multi-millionaire. The people who put these courses together are multi-millionaires. They've trained students who have also made millions. So you know that if you learn these courses, you can make millions. So you don't want to miss the opportunity to get this. As you sign up, we'll give you these courses for free. And don't take them for granted because we are giving you free. You have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose. You are paying nothing to come in. If you don't like what you're offering, all you need to do is check out. But at least give yourself that opportunity to know exactly what this is and how it can change your life. Many people keep on missing opportunities because of one experience or the other. Don't let that happen to you. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try at all. It takes those who try to triumph. It takes those who are tested to have testimony. This platform is meant for you. No matter what you've done in the past and it did not work out, this one will work out. We have a great plan for everybody. Don't miss it. Get started. Click the Get Started Now button to register. You will see Take Action, Get Started Now. So when you click it, it takes you to our registration page. Put all your correct details, especially your phone number and email, because we cannot give you all the gifts that we promise you, all the opportunities that we said will make you money. We cannot send them to you if you don't put your correct details down. So put your correct details down and I'll be waiting for you on the other side. Thank you very much.